Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding Illegal Variables in Python. Introduction. In Python, variables are identifiers used to store data values. These identifiers must adhere to certain rules defined by the Python language. However, there are some variable naming conventions that are considered illegal or prohibited. Understanding these illegal variables is crucial for writing clean, readable, and error-free Python code. In this tutorial, we'll explore what constitutes an illegal variable in Python and provide examples to illustrate these concepts. Illegal variable names. Python follows specific rules for naming variables. According to the official Python documentation, variable names. Based on these rules, illegal variable names include: starting with a digit, variable names cannot start with a digit. They must start with a letter or an underscore. Containing special characters, variable names cannot contain special characters such as @ hashtag, $, %, etc., except for underscores, underscore. Using reserved keywords, Python has reserved words that are used for specific purposes in the language, such as if, else, for, while, etc. Using these reserved words as variable names is not allowed. Let's look at examples to understand each of these cases. Example 1, starting with a digit. Output. Explanation: the variable name one variable starts with a digit, which is not allowed in Python. It results in a syntax error. Example 2, containing special characters. Output. Explanation: the variable name my variable contains a hyphen, which is not allowed in Python variable names. It results in a syntax error. Example 3, using reserved keywords. Output. Explanation: the variable name for is a reserved keyword in Python, used for loop constructs. Using it as a variable name results in a syntax error. Conclusion. Understanding illegal variable names in Python is essential for writing clean and error-free code. By adhering to Python's naming conventions, you can ensure that your code is readable and follows best practices. Avoid using illegal variable names to prevent syntax errors and maintain code clarity. Remember to always start variable names with a letter or an underscore, avoid special characters except underscores, and refrain from using reserved keywords as variable names. ChatGPT